Okay, I'm Stuart from Turner Hastings. What I'd like to explain is how to install the Teide wall-hung urinal, where it's back inlet water supply and concealed back outlet waste. Now I've put the 20mm copper pipe, or equivalent, into the wall, so it's come down the inside of the wall and now it's poking through by 35mm. And I've got a 50mm socket in the wall down there, which is back by about 5 to 10mm from the wall surface. And I've used these brass brackets. Just make sure the brass brackets are used and not the metal brackets. And from the centre line of where the pipe is, the first screw hole is 60mm down. It shows all this in the instructions, but just make sure the brackets are only 60mm from the centre line of the pipe down to the first bracket hole. So they're now installed, the pipework's installed. Here's the Teide urinal. I've put the rubber key seal in the back and I've put the rubber key seal on the waste outlet. Now what I'm going to do is, before I put it on, I need to put some pipe lubricant. So I'm going to put some pipe lubricant onto the inlet pipe and some pipe lubricant into the outlet pipe, just to make it slip in easy. Now what I'm going to do is, for starters, I'm going to push it into the pipe there and hook it on one bracket, slide it across the other bracket, it's now on the metal brackets, and then push it into the outlet bend. That's in and that's all secure. As you can see, it's very solid, it's not coming off the wall, and just make sure you use silicone or no more gaps all the way around the outside there. So just once again, I'll take it off, unhook it. There we are. Now put silicone all the way around the perimeter of the urinal, hook it onto the pipe first, onto the first bracket, onto the second bracket, into the outlet. So you just sort of slide it up one side, push it down on the other, and then push it in at the base, and it's strongly secured. Any questions, please ring us. Thank you.